cuts too. They block checked it, rolled it.
Oh, what have you been riding? I want to ride Axis. Was it good? The whole thing is like shaking. It's gonna break the footer.
The chain lift's weird too. It goes in and out. The supports in the helix.
The way they're like dum, 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 dum.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Why are these all very in like roughness? Like each one is like different.
I don't know, this one's really smooth. It's really good.